If your skin is looking like this 225, and you still don't have money to invest in skincare product that can help get rid of all this, please watch this video and I'll be showing you how you can make your own home remedy that can help get rid of all these acne and breakout, all these dark spots and dull skin you're having. Watch this video and I'll be showing you how you can make this treatment that can help transform your skin. This treatment is very easy to make and you just need about 3 to 4 ingredients to make this treatment. Okay guys, just watch till the end and I'll be showing you how this treatment can transform your skin within 3 days. Like your skin will be glowing, your skin will go from this to something like this within 1 week. Okay, without much talk, let's get right into it. To start with, you need a plate and then you go ahead and get your rice flour. Some of you might not know what is rice flour or know where to buy it, but I'll be telling you how you can make your own at the comfort of your home. If you don't have rice flour and you don't know where you can get one, please get about 1 cup of rice. Go ahead and wash the rice. Wash it until the water is clear. After washing it, you sun dry it. Once it dries, you go ahead and blend the rice with your blender. And after blending it, you go ahead and sieve the rice. The powder stuff you get from sieving the rice is your rice flour, okay? And you go ahead and measure about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the rice flour and put it into the plate. And once that is done, the next thing you will need is coffee. You can make use of any coffee you have at home, the regular coffee that you consume, like the one you drink every day. You can make use of it. Then you go ahead and get about 2 tablespoons of coffee, add it into the rice flour, and you also go ahead and get another ingredient, which is turmeric. Guys, this treatment is the sure deal. Like, try this treatment. You don't need to waste money in buying exfoliating soap or exfoliating scrubs. Use this treatment every day and this treatment will transform your skin. Go ahead and add the turmeric into it. Add about 1 tablespoon of turmeric into it. By now, you must have known the skin benefit of turmeric. You must have known that turmeric helps to brighten your skin, get rid of acne, and also help to moisturize your skin. And after that, the next thing is honey. If you can, use original honey, okay, like the raw honey. That is the one that can give you what you really want. But if you can't find raw honey, then you can make use of the one you have. Go ahead and add about 1 tablespoon of honey into it. And once that is done, the next thing here is shower gel. Add any shower gel you have. You can use the regular one you use. As for me, I'll be adding this one. The essence of adding shower gel is to help to get rid of dirt as you scrub your skin. So add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of shower gel into it. And once that is done, guys, you go ahead and mix it. And after mixing it, then you proceed to the next ingredient. Like I said to you guys, this treatment is the sure deal, is the bomb. So after mixing it, guys, if the consistency is too thick, like you can't use it, the next thing you have to add is fresh milk. Go ahead and get your fresh milk and add fresh milk into this treatment. Add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh milk into it, depending on the consistency you want to achieve. For me, I want the consistency that I will still be able to scrub with. I don't want it to be too watery. So I'll be adding just 1 tablespoon of fresh milk into it so as to loosen the consistency, because as you can see, the consistency is too thick. So I'll also go ahead now and add 1 tablespoon of milk into it. I'm using fresh milk. Add 1 tablespoon of milk and mix it until everything combines very well. And once that is achieved, you go ahead and use this to exfoliate your skin, guys. You can use this on your face, you can use this on your body, you can use it anywhere on your body. Go ahead and exfoliate. And the best time to exfoliate is exfoliate, and after exfoliating, then you go ahead and shower. But if you want to make it easier for your skin, go ahead and moisturize your body by pouring water all over your body. And after pouring water all over your body, you make sure that your body is already damped, like your body is already wet. Then you go in with this treatment, exfoliate your body with it, exfoliate your face with it. And once that is done, you go ahead and wash your skin or your face, depending on where you exfoliated. And after that, guys, go ahead and apply your cream. Do this at least once in a week, and you will see the way your skin will be transforming and glowing. The essence of exfoliating your skin is to get rid of excessive oil buildup, is to unclog your pores. The mistake we make is that sometimes we neglect ourselves to the extent that our pores will be clogged up, we'll have excessive oil buildup on our skin that will require our skin to start breaking out or forming pimples or forming pores. That's not good. You have to exfoliate your skin at least once in a week as to get rid of excessive oil buildup and unclog your pores so that air can penetrate into your hair follicles, into your skin. Okay, guys? So now that I'm done exfoliating, I'll go ahead and wash my skin. So you guys will see the way my skin will be hydrated, the way it will be looking. So imagine when you do this once in a week, be rest assured that you will see changes on your skin. Okay, guys, this is what my skin is looking like. My camera refused to focus, but can you see the glow? This is what my skin is looking like, guys. So please try this treatment and let me know in the comment section what you think about this treatment. But I promise you, you will like this one. Yes, I say that you will like this one. So try to make use of it at least once in a week. Scrub your skin at least once in a week. It helps a lot. It helps to remove excessive oil buildup on your skin. It helps to reduce oil buildup on your skin. It helps to unclog your pores, guys. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next one. For the remaining one, you can put it in the fridge or keep it on your kitchen counter and use it for the next 3 days, and after 3 days you discard it and prepare another one. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, share this video so that others can benefit from it. Okay, see you in my next one. Bye.